It's not as simple as just replacing the bent oil pipe and oil cylinder on the excavator. Hello everyone, I'm Principal Jiang. On the 6th day of deep analysis, in the end, there was an explanation about the safety hydraulic valve where it was pointed out that this is the hydraulic valve, this is the safety hydraulic valve, and this is the pressurized safety hydraulic valve. When the excavator is subjected to external impact, it generates abnormally high pressure inside the oil cylinder. At this time, the safety valve, due to exceeding the set pressure, lifts the valve pin to release the high-pressure oil back to the oil tank. In this situation, the safety valve functions to protect the related hydraulic systems from abnormal pressure and damage. When negative pressure occurs in the oil cylinder, the hydraulic suction valve functions to replenish the oil from the circuit back to the negative pressure area, thus preventing the formation of a vacuum. To address the lowering of the boom, a pressurized safety suction valve has been installed to ensure that the excavator can increase the pressure during boom lowering, providing sufficient support for the boom.